10 healthiest and delicious immune-boosting smoothies to try. We all know eating a balanced diet will help us have a strong immune system, but some things are easier said than done. In fact, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, only 1 in 10 adults eat the recommended amounts of vegetables and fruit. What if you could enjoy something that strengthens immunity and is also incredibly delicious? Yes, I'm talking about smoothies. They not only keep us hydrated, but also provide us instant energy. The best thing is, you can experiment with the ingredients and make it an immunity-boosting one. To make things easier for you, here is a list of 10 healthiest smoothies. Enjoy and stay healthy. Number 1. Beet and apple smoothie. Beets are a fantastic addition to any diet to boost immunity. Plus, the earthy beets, sweet and tangy apples, and a splash of citrus make a delicious flavor combination. The quirky beetroot is full of nutrients that support immunity, including vitamin C, zinc, and iron. Additionally, it has a lot of antioxidants and detoxifying properties that help cleanse the liver, strengthen the heart, and improve brain health. And let's not forget the amazing health benefits of lime and apples. Apples have nutrients that protect the lungs from oxidative damage and prevent asthma. When preventing cold and flu viruses, it's essential to protect the respiratory system. Additionally, limes, like beets, are rich in vitamin C and add extra immune-boosting strength to this drink. Number 2. Pineapple Spinach Smoothie. Spinach is a perfect choice for an immunity-boosting smoothie since it is loaded with nutrients that reduce inflammation, increase immune function, and speed up wound healing. It has high levels of carotenoids, and the body converts them into vitamin A, which is necessary for a strong immune system. Spinach and pineapple both contain vitamin C, an important immune booster. According to research, vitamin C strengthens the immune system at the cellular level and protects against infections. Also, the digestive enzyme in pineapples, bromelain, has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving qualities. This is beneficial if you have an injury, such as a burn or sprain, an infection, such as sinusitis, or osteoarthritis-related joint pain. Number 3. Vitamin C Smoothie. Strawberries, bananas, and red bell pepper are used to make this delicious vitamin C immune-boosting smoothie. Vitamin C is essential for immune function in 2 ways. First, it is a necessary ingredient for your body to produce white blood cells that help fight off infections. Second, vitamin C is an antioxidant that strengthens your overall body and protects immune cells from damage and inflammation. It is important to consume plenty of vitamin C when your immunity is compromised. Number 4. Berry and Flax Smoothie. Flax seeds have many great health benefits, but unfortunately, it's not the easiest food to add to meals or snacks because of the bland taste and texture. However, there is a simple solution to this problem. Just add flax seeds to your smoothies. Flaxseed lignans contains antiviral and antibacterial properties. By including flaxseed regularly in your diets, you can reduce the frequency and severity of your disease. Also, use a mixture of berries with lots of blueberries for the prettiest color and flavor. Flavonoids, a type of antioxidants in berries, help prevent cell damage and strengthen your immune system. Blueberries contain lots of vitamins, such as vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, dietary fiber, and manganese. Number 5. Green Smoothie. When you need to eat more greens, choose this smoothie. It has both kale and spinach in every sip. It also contains dates, kiwi, and almond milk, which provide natural sweetness and help you feel full. Vitamin C-rich kale and spinach are powerful antioxidants that help fight infections like the dreaded severe cold. Kiwi is rich in antioxidants, and regular consumption has been linked to reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Also, dates are a good source of vitamins A1, B1, B2, B3, and B5. According to studies, they boost the immune system, lessen inflammation, protect against DNA deterioration, and enhance hormonal balance. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 6. Apricot Peach Smoothie. Peach apricot smoothie combines 2 highly nutritious fruits and creates a beautiful combination of sweet and tangy flavors. They are ideal for boosting immunity since they both are rich in fiber and loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C. Also, Apricot is rich in vitamins A, E, and flavonoids, and have been shown to boost immune function and even protect against diabetes and heart disease. Plus, it is really simple to prepare. You just have to combine tofu, dried apricots, and apricot nectar in a blender and mix until smooth and pureed. Then add yogurt and peach slices and blend on high speed until the mixture is smooth. Number 7. Blueberry Matcha Smoothie. Blueberries are full of benefits and delicious on their own, and this smoothie enhances their nutritional value by combining them with matcha, a powdered green tea. Matcha is a powerful source of catechins, a type of plant compound that functions as antioxidants. Research shows that matcha has up to 137 times more catechins than other types of green tea. Also, the addition of dark leafy greens like the baby spinach in this smoothie provides vitamin A. According to a review published in the Journal of Clinical Medicine, this vitamin is beneficial for vision as well as immune system development and helps regulate immune responses. Number 8. Mango Smoothie. This anti-inflammatory mango smoothie is loaded with vitamin A and C and is great for boosting the immune system. Mangoes, clementine, and carrots are combined with ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric to make this healthy, cold-fighting smoothie. Clementine and mangoes are both rich sources of vitamin C. It works as an antioxidant and shortens the duration and severity of the illness. Carotenoids are found in carrots and mangoes. These turn into vitamin A, an additional antioxidant that protects the immune system. And last, cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties. These spices have been used as natural disease-preventing remedies for a very long time. Number 9. Avocado Smoothie. You just need 5 ingredients to make this smoothie: avocado, banana, plant milk, dates, and spinach. Aside from giving the smoothie a creamy texture, an avocado also adds immune-boosting elements like vitamin B6. According to the USDA, 1 cup of avocado contains 0.386 milligrams, or 29% of the daily recommended value for vitamin B6. A study published in the Journal of Immunology Research shows that this vitamin is essential for producing antibodies necessary to fight infections. Also, it contains vitamin E and copper, which protect against viruses and bacteria and keep your immune system strong. Number 10. Chocolate Cherry Smoothie. With this smoothie, you'll get a hearty serving of fruits and vegetables with a touch of chocolate. This nutritious smoothie has cherries, bananas, spinach, chia seeds, protein powder, almond milk, and cocoa powder, which contains zinc. Zinc is essential for the proper functioning of the immune system and wound healing. The human body doesn't have a proper storage site for zinc, so you must include it in your diet regularly to keep your immune system healthy and speed up the healing of wounds. According to the USDA, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder contains roughly 0.341 milligram, or 3% of the daily recommended value of zinc. So, are you ready to try these immune-boosting smoothies? It is an easy way to nourish your body with tons of nutrients. You can also add or replace ingredients according to your taste. If you want to use a sweetener, add dates or use local, raw organic honey. Honey's antibacterial and antioxidant properties strengthens immunity. Local honey will also help your body fight against local allergens. If you have leftover smoothies, you can freeze them by pouring them into ice cube trays. Before serving, simply pop your cubes out and blend them lightly. Will you start drinking these smoothies after watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.